Yo, what's up everybody? It's 9:05 right now. So I'm heading to PWTC to get my second shot of AztraZeneca. So this will be my journey for the day onwards. My appointment is at 10:30 in the morning. Station 1, Dewan Mawa. Let's go. Okay, so if you really ask me, first dose of AztraZeneca actually didn't have much impact on my body. It's just that I feel very lethargic and hungry all the time. But I slept, I think, for almost 2 days. No feverish, no salsama, no coughing, diarrhea, or what's not. I'm grateful for that. I've been hearing people saying that usually if you don't get much impact on the first shot, right, you should get it on the second shot because it will be a stronger dose. So I don't know what is going to happen. So I'm now on my way to PWTC. It's about 30 minutes drive from Klang. If in case there is any roadblocks, just show your MySejahtera app with your valid vaccine appointment, then you should be all good.
5 hours later.
I actually come across the first jam at in front UM, the gateway, right? That's a common place where they get blocked. So I think the traffic is quite bad. Let me show it. The traffic is on a standstill, so the traffic is moving very slow here. Based on Google Map, there is around 8 minutes congestion. So for those who don't know, right, this was a Menara KWSP that got burned before. Also taking this opportunity to say thank you to all the frontliners, especially the police, the militaries. It is not easy for them to stand under this hot sun for God knows how long, 8 hours a day. Yeah, amazingly they didn't ask.
2,000 years later.
Finally, I've made it to PWTC. It's right beside UMNO Tower. Yes, this is where you can enter. And then you can just tap your card over here. Okay. I think overall is more organized. The queues all over outside here. This is the family members that are waiting for it. So for those taking second shot, there's already appointment ready. Thank you. Do the victory. So guys, this is where you do the victory run. Once you are out, then you can take a photo, video over here. Thank you so much. Yeah, so guys, so the process of getting vaccinated for second dose is freaking fast. I think I went in at around 10:30 after just walking for around 5 minutes through different checkpoints, right? At 10:35 I got vaccinated. Then I was being monitored for 15 minutes. At 10:50 they released me. So it's actually quite fast. I did ask the vaccinator whether it's true that they said, you know, during the second shot the effect is going to be stronger, like most probably you will fall sick if you didn't for first dose. And she said yes, but she did add on, it really depends on person, how are they cooperating with the vaccines. Let me quickly show you, this is my jab. So just a moment of deep breath, breathe in and out for about 2 times each, and then I'm done. Yep, so now let's get some lunch, eat at home, then we rest for the day. Okay. Thank you PWTC and UMNO for your amazing towers. Right, so I think it's time to go home. I will see you again. No, not again. Thank you so much for the vaccines. Goodbye. Funny story, guys. I was recording the video while I'm exiting PWTC, and then I took the wrong turn. Now I'm entering Jalan Kuching. So guess what? Jalan Kuching. Not because of some accidents or what's not, because there's a roadblock in front here. So